Today I will show you how to make a Discord bot. Instructions will be given at side of the screen, if you miss anything. First of all, copy the link of the GitHub site, link in description. And now go to glitch.com and clone it. Follow according to the video for 0 errors, or join my Discord server for help of any issues. Go to Discord Developers Portal and create a bot. After that, get its invite link and add it in your server. Follow my steps to get the invite link. Bot has successfully been added to the server. Now copy its token and paste it in glitch.com in the token section. Note, token is an encrypted password of your bot. To make it work, don't share your token with anyone. commands or need help, join their support server and add it. Link will be in description. Please secure your token with .env file. Follow my steps and do the same to make your bot's token private and unable to see by anyone. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you guys next time.
Cut.